everyone, and welcome to my Ariana Grande inspired makeup look. So I'm so excited to do this video. I've been a huge fan of Ariana Grande for probably like 2 years, since 2016, really listening to her music and owning her albums and stuff, but I've been a huge fan of her style since like 2013, 2014. I've always been inspired by her. I always like her look, and I just love watching her grow as a person throughout her different eras. So this kind of look is inspired by kind of the dangerous woman era that she had, kind of like her everyday-ish looks that she has on her like Instagram and stuff like that. So this isn't inspired by any photo in particular. This is just kind of what I see a lot from her. So let's get started. Step is to use liquid foundation. So today I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This is my favorite foundation. However, use whatever foundation you feel comfortable using, but I highly recommend this one. I just feel like the consistency is good and it applies to your skin well. I'm also going to be using the Fit Me foundation powdered foundation, and I love how the liquid and the powder foundation work together, and I highly recommend this for you guys. Not sponsored, by the way, just my opinion, but use whatever foundation you feel comfortable using. So the next step you want to do is apply contour. So Ariana Grande wears a lot of contour because she has a very slim, long face. So contour really highlights her features. I also applied some contour onto my nose because she has a longer nose than I do. And also just blend in your contour to make it look pretty natural. Also apply some light pink blush onto your cheeks. So she wears a little bit of blush, nothing too dark and nothing too dramatic, and just blend that in with the contour as well. Next, I'm going in with my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going to be using chocolate syrup. Ariana Grande wears a lot of brown eyeshadow, so she usually just uses the one color, usually like a darker brown, and she just blends it in. And next, the most iconic part of Ariana Grande's makeup look is her eyeliner. So she usually wings it, not always, but she usually wings her liner. She uses this look when she's doing like red carpet events. She uses eyeliner when she's just chilling out on her Instagram story. She's usually wearing eyeliner like this. And don't feel bad if it takes you a few attempts, if you've never used eyeliner before, if you have to try it a few times before getting a look that you like or you feel comfortable doing. It took me years of practice to get a look that I'm comfortable with my eyeliner. It's not perfect, but I do believe it's a lot better from where I started. Now I'm going to be using the Big False Lash Effect from New York Color and just applying it here. It's pretty straightforward. Next, I'm going in with the NYC Caramel lipstick, and I'm just applying it here because she wears very natural lips. And then, of course, I'm going in with the Ari by Ariana Grande fragrance. That is it for my Ariana Grande makeup inspired look. So if you like this video, please feel free to watch some of my other videos, which I'm probably going to have listed here. Feel free to click at one of those. Feel free also to subscribe. You can also subscribe down below. That would mean so much to me. And I think that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and bye!